Okay, so here's the next little repair item I got to do. On our last camping trip, our outside shower, the cold water valve stem for the on-off valve over tightened or something, and it just came loose and it started literally backing out. I couldn't turn the water off, so I had to literally disconnect or shut down the water from the main source, and then I had to disconnect all the piping behind that valve so it wouldn't leak, so I could actually turn it off. So now I'm going to take it apart. So the hard part about taking it apart is it's just tight quarters. All right, not a lot of space to get your hand up into, so there's not really much I can show you until I actually get it apart. So I have disconnected all of the water lines to both sides, hot and cold. So now what I'm going to do is take off the nuts that are holding the actual faucet itself to that metal plate, which is back behind it. The plastic nuts are older than dirt. 2011 or 2006 was when it was sold, so it could be 2005. It's been there, so they may be brittle, it may be a chore, so that's just the way it goes. Anyway, I'll show you once I get it all apart. Well, I got lucky, and the nuts on the back on the cold water when I had to use the vice grip, or not the vice grips, the channel locks, just because it was just on a little bit more than hand tight, and all I had to do was just barely loosen it, and it came, and then hand tight came right off. And the hot water side was only hand tight, so it came off right real easy too. So as you can see, really that's just a sheet metal panel. I could take it all apart, but I don't really want to. It's just more work than need to. Just a standard little 2-valve item, and it was this cold valve right here that started backing out on the stem. As you can see, it's backed out. So got a new one, found it on Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, 12, 14 bucks, something like that, after shipping and handling. So I'm gonna go get it, and which normally you should have your parts right here with you. I was a little bit backwards this morning. So anyway, I'm gonna go get it. It's in the house. Bye. Okay, so I went in and got my valve, and as you can see, it's just a nice little plain plastic valve. It looks like it's got my hot and my cold reversed. Anyway, no biggie. I will, because it's got to go this way. It's got to go this way. Sorry about the movement. I know it's not fast, but anyway. So as you can see, it's a pretty much perfect fit right there, all hunky-dory. So I'm gonna connect the back, and I'll let you see the finished product. So there it is, all installed. It was pretty simple. So the hardest part was trying to remember which one was the hot line and which one was the cold line. Not sure I got it right. We'll find out later when I can turn the water on. Can't turn it on right now because I still got the toilet all torn apart. So anyway, it's all she wrote for outside shower for valve replacement. Bye.